Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. 6 Sciatica stretches to prevent and relieve hip and lower back pain. Sciatic pain can strike all people regardless of the age, but it is more common in the elderly. It is a highly intense pain that stretches all along the sciatic nerve. This severe pain can last for days, but it should not be treated with painkillers, as they will just numb the pain and not treat the root cause. Yet, stretching can be of great help in relieving sciatica pain and symptoms by calming the sciatic nerve and soothing the irritations. The following 6 stretches are highly beneficial. 1. Camel pose. Kneel on the floor, reach the hands back, and try to grasp the ankles on the sides. Then, push the hips forward and upwards as much possible, in order to stretch the rectus abdominis and external obliques. 2. Wide forward fold. Sitting on the floor, with the knees bent and the back straight, try to slowly stretch the legs and round your back as slowly to reach the feet with both hands. 3. Forearm extensor stretch. Put one arm in front of you, with the shoulders rolled and loose, and press it towards the floor using the opposite arm, to pull and stretch the wrist and the forearm muscle. 4. Frog pose. Start on the hands and knees, and widen the knees to feel the stretch in the groin area. 5. Butterfly stretch. Start in a sitting position, with the legs crossed. Then, press the knees with the hands towards the floor. 6. Wide side lunge pose. Start in a crouched position, and straighten one leg out to the side at a 90-degree angle to stretch the muscles inside the thigh. Repeat with the other leg. Try them out and get rid of sciatica pain in a safe and natural way. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.